He's here. Nandito na yung bus. Pasok na si Bunso.
100 because it's not heavy.
Sadi hardware is your ay
Capture.
lalagyan ko. Ayan, andito na yung bus nila. Ay, dumaan na siya. Pasbay na. Flowers for you. Ang bango pag umaga dito sa bahay sa harap. La, yet. Yala. He's here.
Alright, mommy.
Kaya may love ko yun.
This man.
Pray before you Harita, okay?
Okay.
Tinkle, analyze the question, mama?
Okay.
Don't rush.
Alright.
Bonjour. Ay, ang ganda nito, oh. Aray, tuktukan na iti avocado. Yung pislili ko namulaklak na siya. Tagal na ito. Nasa labas kasi ako. Tinawag ako ni Sean kasi pinapakain ko yung mga manok. Tumawag pala si Mr. Ay, nag-relax siya.
Okay. بكلاسيك $10 بير سيت يعني على الشخص.
على الشخص.
اوكي.
وضحى مانيلا $18 على الشخص.
$18 على الشهر. فاين. بضل في نقيهم لنهار الجمعة بتقولي او بنزل اليوم او كيف بدفع وبريك.
بالوقت الطيارة منا محجوز عليها محلات، عرفت كيف؟
اوكي.
يعني هذا الشيء بيرجع لك.
اوكي رح يتهلا يعني. لانه في طفل وامه واخته يعني ما بدي كل واحد يكون محل. معه. اوكي لكن اذا شيء نهار الجمعة انا بكون ببيروت بمرق صوبي. ثانك يو حبيبتي عزتك انا.
يا هلا ولا يا هلا.
ميرسي.
Before when we asked the Haida, we said
هيدي هي مش before when I asked هيدي هي this is the one.
I talked to her, we will pay. He said no. But why we pay now?
To choose the seat.
Oh.
To choose the seat if you want to pay.
How much he said?
You want to sit next to each other from here to down.
When we paid the ticket, I asked her in front of you. I said, yeah, miss, that's the seat. She said, hey, we update you and we pay that time.
لأنه that time it's closed, they don't open. هلا they begin to open. And she cannot know till before 2 days. هذا قطر like this. شو بعمل؟
Okay, if it's like this, okay. Last time,
When we used to book here and here, they used to open the plane before. So when we used to book, it seems they take money for the seat choice included in the header. They don't tell us, and we are choosing, so they tell us the ticket is like this. Tikrami, we pay. At that time, we don't ask.
Okay. You called last time. He said from here to Qatar.
No. Doha, Manila.
Now from here to
if
Haida,
you want-
it's not yet open that time.
It was not open, huh? هلا it seems it's open. هلا. هلا بدك ننزل لعندهم. We paid أحسن ما حطوا لكم إياهم هونيك.
Okay, hala, I want to
She
go.
said the plane is not full from Doha to.
If it's like this, now
Till now, it's not full.
What month what days?
هيدي واحد اثنين ثلاثة the six. They are not full, but somebody could be reserving home. Maybe you don't find 3 seats next to each other. Even the plane is not full. The plane فيه 100 passengers. فيه 100 seats. فيه 80 passengers. It's not full. 70 passengers. It's not full. But you cannot tell where they booked, where they want to sit. You cannot tell. Maybe these 70, they don't keep 2 places next to each other, 3 places. ننزل خيم البي ونخلص من الشغلة شو بي choose our header وخلاص.
It's my first time like this. Usually
We used to pick our seat because they used to open the plane before. To open the header before. We used to pick it and pay for it, and we don't know we are paying for it. I know when I saw it on the header. Booking the seats is payable. And I didn't know. No, we didn't. We used not to ask.
لأنه we are in travel agency, they are the one who we think we
My package. It seems we were paying, but nobody tell us. لأنه we.
Sige. Punta tayo sa Beirut. Bayaran na lang ba para may peace of mind na kami ba? Itong mister ko kasi ayaw niya na maghihiwalay kami ba. Yung iba yung upuan ko, iba yung mga bata. Ay nako. Wala ka lang. Hi guys, tara na po. Punta tayo sa Beirut. Dala ko na po yung all the ticket namin para yung bagong, kasi dalawa nag-email na naman pala sila, so kuha tayo ng bagong copy. So dinala ko ito, passport namin, yung old copy ng ticket. Ayan, ingat. Tingnan nyo ang panahon, oh, parang uulan siya. It will rain, I think. Summer na uulan. Like,
Humidity.
humid pala siya. Walang, pero mainit. It's hot even like this. Mainit siya.
I don't know. I wake up in the morning. I find the glass. It's open like this.
You didn't close
I don't know. No, I closed. I remember I closed. How come? Bye-bye.
Hi guys, yan, nandito na po kami sa highway. Dawin na po tayo sa Beirut. Pero nag-stop over kami dito. Ito pala is mga resort. Sea dyan. Ayan, samahan nyo kami. Sana okay ang lahat. Nasaan na yung ticket ko? Sana okay po ang lahat. Dinala ko na para hingi tayo ng ng copy ng bagong kasi ang daming pinalitan na time ba.
$155.
On the way na kami ni Mr. sa office ng Qatar. Dito po siya sa downtown Beirut. So naglakad kami kasi wala kaming mahanap na parking. Ito daw ang pinaka mayaman na place, mga houses ito.
Look,
Sabi ni Mr. Painting.
they will tell you $3,000.
Oh, wala. Ay, kababayan natin.
Kabayan.
Kabayan. New York. Samir Hali.
Yes, in New York.
New York, yes. Ito ang downtown ng Lebanon. Downtown Beirut. I will hide like this so as they will not see me. I want to show them the place. Maybe you will.
هلا I don't want to. They don't. As if we are. Tourists when they come.
Naglakad tayo, exercise. Mga building dito since how many years the buildings?
How they old, but they renovate after the war.
They renovate.
For the mosque.
Mosque ito. Mosque, yan. Ayan, Islamic Knowledge Center. Mga kapatid nating Muslim. Dito mo makikita yung mga branded na items, mga brand shop. Hi, meow meow. Dapat na si meow meow.
Thank you. Nice seeing you.
Switzerland. And Switzerland, from Switzerland siguro yung brand na yan. Dior. What is it? Hogan. Reebok. You did not put the hidahan?
Wala, but I think it's there next to Hawiq.
I think this building. We enter to the hida like this. I remember.
Wait.
Hindi na namin maalala yung
Wait.
ano, shop ay yung office.
Where? Hawiq.
Yeah. Baka malayo to. We are next to it. Here.
Very center.
Yan. Ano natin, follow natin yung map. I remember this one.
Last one.
Eh.
Last one.
Then we enter to a building to the right.
Last one is there.
Ay, Diane.
To the right.
Geneve, yan, the country of Geneve.
City in Switzerland.
Lano, I see the brand one. Where is it? Nawala na kami, guys. Hindi na namin maalala yung
Where's the entrance?
office. Magtanong tayo. We ask. Here, I think. Merci. wakas na naglakad-lakad kami ng 30 minutes. Nakalimutan namin na paikot-ikot kasi yung mga building dito parehas yung itsura. Tapos yung ano kasi dito, walang office lane. Hindi nila alam.
لا مش first floor. Second floor.
Second, may tatlo lang naman na ano ito.
Tatlo eh.
We will see in this
Dalawa.
second. Napagod exercise talaga. Ay naku. Buti may mood itong kasama ko. Hindi siya ano. Tapos na kayo guys. Na-confirm na. Meron na kami upuan. Ay, thank God. Na din.
Yeah.
Ayan, let's go home. Let's go now. Pinaprint namin yung bagong ticket kasi may ano, sa old pa. Sana tayo hang. Where are we? I think here. My God, we turn Laken and we go there.
We could come with the car. Basta na we went to the parallel one.
Beirut, peace, love. Ang ganda. Dolce Gabbana.
هذا كلهم براند.
Mga branded. Dito mo makikita.
هاي
Lagat. Wala ito. Ganda rin. Tignan niyo. Akala ko tao siya. Manikin pala.
dress with head, you know.
Mawa. Umikot-ikot kami sobra. Pero okay na, thank God. Naayos na namin. Wala na kaming problema. Naiisipin ba, kampante na kami. Na mag-sit kami sa malapit sa window. Ayos din. Si Mister. Ito, mga inaayos nila. Ito, nasira noong sumabog yung port. Ito, yes? These are the parts of...
finishing.
andito yung port, guys. Yung sumabog noon. Kaya madaming nire-renovate. Makikita mo dito yung mga mayayaman na tao. Milyon daw ang presyo ng mga bahay dito. Mga houses. Grabe oh. Even Mapi View. Mga hotels.
هيدا هون offices.
Office.
هيدا office.
Natuzzi, Italia. Of course.
Marina.
Yeah.
Marina.
Marina Bay.
Zaytuna Bay.
Zaytuna Bay pala. Yan, let's go. Doon kami nag-park sa pinakadulo. Hey, what is this, Han? The building.
هون they are forbidden to dig لأنه هون it's something historical. They discovered it.
Can we go there?
ما في هون تشوفوا هون.
Ganyan ito guys, in the middle of the city. Na-curious ako ano ito.
So they stopped and they tried to keep it so it will not fall. You see? All the
Old,
stones. How
yeah.
they are.
Historical daw ito.
On down coming up. It's like a city
Okay.
before.
You see the wood.
Beirut was full of water before. Look.
Eh,
How they
This one يعني they want to build here.
لا. They wanted to هذا. They discovered إنه في historical things. They stopped. They are forbidden. هذا the government stopped.
Okay.
They cannot touch. Look the stones. How they are there. You see? How the stones.
This is the one.
How they were houses before.
Okay.
هذا كان كله full of water. بعدين the water go back the sea. بس هون كله كان full of water.
This area is full of water.
Before.
Really?
في big typhoon. إذا it filled. How they were the houses in 1,000 years يعني. Before 1,000 years, 1,000 plus. بعدين when the water go back, it showed the houses.
You see, they put light, you
People
know.
died, because nobody knows. But how did the houses?
Okay.
Look, how did the same stones? They put how they
To
so they're not fall.
preserve. Oh, okay. And all the, that's why it's in the middle of the sea.
Like a house or a bridge. It was هذا. You see the small stones. So they did it.
Very nice. Look, tignan nyo, nasa gitna siya ng modern house na nakita ko.
They're historical. They're 1,500 years.
So no, they don't touch yan eh. Keep it like this. Ang ganda nga eh.
Forbidden to touch.
Okay, kita ko.
The government-
Hello.
The government forbid them. Avoid it.
Soil. Ganito ang soil sa Lebanon. Clay siya. Ayan, red.
هذا for plants.
For plants, this one.
The red soil.
Ganyan ang soil ng Lebanon, guys. Red.
هذا for plants. Not
Let's go. We have like this in Philippines, we call anahaw. Anahaw ito, no, guys? Maraming anahaw dito. Yeah. Ay, masaya ako kasi tapos na po ang aming problema. Ano na kami. Kampante na kami ng asawa ko na kakatabi. Mga anak ko. Ayan, pauwi na kayo ni Mr.
The famous explosion at the port.
Where? Oo.
At the port.
Grabe, oo. It was 2020.
Look what I found here. They can see Cyprus here.
Yan, ito, sira noon mga building to, guys. Inaayos na nila. Ito yung port na sumabog noon.
These people living in this building or that one. Nadine and James, the one the one she is actress. Nadine James, مش Nadine Rasi. She lives here. I think in this one or that one. هذيك the black one there.
Sa loob yung
She's millionaire.
inopen namin noon na sushi doon sa loob. Yung may sale. Mga ito, sira,
$1 million. Look,
It's nice, this one. It was destroyed before this one.
I know.
Ito, lahat ito nasira,
The owners,
mga
they
ano.
fix. The owners, they will wait the government to give them $10,000. It's one glass, $10,000.
Grabe, oh. Ang ganda
Okay,
ng
same.
bahay. My God. Idol, I'm sure the billionaire Lebanese.
In Lebanon?